Feeding ducks. She is feeding the ducks by the lake. Taking care of rabbits. She is taking care of a fluffy rabbit. Collecting eggs. He is collecting eggs from the chicken coop. Running in the field. He is running in the field with his dog. Riding a horse. He is riding a horse on the farm. Planting trees. They are planting trees to make the world green. Watering flowers. She is watering the flowers with a green watering can. Rowing a boat. They are rowing a boat on the river. Carrying a basket of fruits. She is carrying a basket of fresh fruits. Playing near the river. They are playing happily near the river. Sitting under the tree. She is sitting under the tree and reading. Tying a shoe. He is tying his shoe before going out. Jumping rope. She is jumping rope with her friends. Watching TV. He is watching a movie. Talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone with her friend. Shopping. She is shopping for clothes and fruits. Washing the car. He is washing the car with his dad. Eating ice cream. She is eating ice cream on a sunny day. Ice skating. They are ice skating in the winter. Playing in the snow. They are playing in the snow and making a snowman. Camping in the forest. We are camping in the forest and roasting marshmallows. Walking on a farm. We are walking on the farm and feeding the animals. Buying candy. She is buying candy from the store. Stargazing. He is looking at the stars with a telescope. Playing with animals in the barn. They are playing with rabbits and ducks in the barn. visiting the greenhouse. She is visiting the greenhouse and smelling the flowers. Catching butterflies. They are catching butterflies in the meadow. Swinging on a swing. He is swinging on a swing under a big tree.